Konaktар келет деп күтүп атабыз. Мына чогуш деген бир бала келет. Мантын фон болуп тур. Кызыктуу нерселер астыда болуп аткан деп күтүп атам ошо. Бүгүн ырдайбыз. Ырдап берейин деген ой бар, бирок эме алар айтып койгон, мен жакшы ырдай албайм, бирок ырдаган жөнгө жакшы көрөм. Ырдасам күлбөгүлө, мен ырдасам келинчегим постоянно күлөт деп. Анан атайын ушу пранк кылып, туура эмес ырдап, анан алардын реакциясын көрөлүн деп атабыз. Please. Awesome. Yeah, you can put
Chocolates with fun.
Yeah, okay.
You know, that happens a good bit.
Yeah. Well, what time tomorrow? Are you working tomorrow?
8 a.m.
Okay.
Well, actually, you know, we're going on vacation this week.
Oh. Where? Where are you going? Some mountain? Some beach?
Some
Mountains.
A mountain?
Yeah, do you know of Yellowstone National Park?
I think the Burleja was saying yes.
Maybe that's the one. Maybe.
Yeah, it's in Wyoming. So, like,
2 hours far from you here?
So
No.
we have to take an airplane to fly.
Oh, really? By plane? You will cross by?
Well, we will go see in person. The park we are visiting is very big, and they have a famous one they call Old Faithful, because it always is faithful to the water comes out exactly the same time every day, always exactly the same time for years and years and years. You can see the water, the hot water come out.
Oh,
So they say it's
and
Old
it stops.
Faithful.
So, we,
It's a hot water.
Hot water.
we're
Yeah,
down
it's like
here in
the
North
hot
Carolina.
springs.
We're over here
Oh.
in Wyoming. Okay, Montana is up here. And we're going to go down into Yellowstone. We're going to be all around this area, all the way through here. Yeah, Yellowstone, and there's another park called the Grand Tetons. Big mountains. Big mountains. Snow.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Be careful. Bears,
Bears.
Bears,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
You know bison?
bison.
It's like a
Yes, it's-
yak.
Mechanic, and they will start. Immediate.
Yeah.
Why? Something what? Because I live here. Yes.
These people, man.
It is true, like we usually on our phones we have it set up, like if we don't recognize the number most of the time when they're calling, we don't answer because we know it's somebody trying to get money.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'll answer and they'll be like, oh, it'll be a recorded message. If someone has stolen your identity, or someone has been, using your social security number, and we want to help you out and make sure that your identity...
Do you understand?
Yes, I do know. I know what you mean, It's talking about, they got the pick in their hair and it's like stuck. Yeah, anyway.
For us, no, it's like.
Like, okay.
Okay, you.
I was younger, no longer.
Yes, like
But when-
you saw somebody's face and will look and see this face will follow and go back. Similar, yes?
I remember I've seen, like, I would be looking at you, you'd be like,
Yes,
yes,
Something similar, yes.
Yes, I have been drunk before, but no longer. But whenever I was younger, I will not tell that story. Actually, how much? This may be a bad question. How much do you weigh?
Weight?
Yeah, weight.
My weight?
Yes.
105 kilograms.
I must convert. 105. Let's see. Oh, okay. I used to be 99.703 kilogram.
And now?
And now I have lost weight. I am 93.
Ooh, you lost 5 total. How did you do it? I just sweat and I lost 2 kilograms.
Similar. Very
That
sweet,
your
romantic
weight should
song.
be
I walk to
80.
remember.
Let me
86,
Yes,
like 6
I
kilograms.
love
You are
this.
little bit.
Yeah, that's
Let me
my
see,
favorite
where's my-
movie.
What's your favorite movie?
Oh,
Yes.
Let me
I saw
see.
this
What
when
happened to it?
First was made. I was a teenager,
Mm-hmm.
or maybe like 12 or 13 years old.
170. I used
I
to.
went to the movie theater with
I
my
used to weigh
friends to go
176.
see this
I used to.
movie. And we were
Back,
all
you know,
crying.
whenever
at
I
the
was-
end. Oh,
Whenever
so
I was big man, you remember a picture?
Yeah, I beloved it with
I
this
was,
Mandy Moore.
Yes,
Very strong.
she is a beautiful
Since
singer.
yes, she's a beautiful singer. And then after I checked and I saw the
This
Tangled,
was-
Uh-huh.
and
well,
I checked. Oh, she's the one who's
Yes.
singing Tangled.
Do you have a picture?
I have a like. Men сүретім бар ғой арық кезімдегі.
Үйдеби? Ооба, компьютерде бар да.
Бар ғой?
Ооба.
Зырдап тұрған көріп жайын, She likes, you know, when I fail, you know. And she gets like,
He's a good singer.
No. Is he going to sing? Is he going to sing? Alright.
in my soul, so free. In the tree of mine, our memories behind. Wanna start a new life, but it seems to be rather time. You know, actually it's not me, like, okay. It's not like little friend. Like I suck like. Okay.
I've never done karaoke ever in my life. I've never sung. Well, really, I did a choir once. I was in a choir once. I've never sung in front of anyone ever before, except
It's
for her.
okay. I will not. I will. I will
You will
try
not.
to not. To laugh. I will try not to laugh.
Oh man.
Now my laugh.
You cannot.
I cannot stop. Sorry.
Alright. I don't know all the words, but this guy's gonna be singing with me, I guess.
It's a traditional, like,
Very ads.
gospel song in the black church.
See, if this is not what I think it is, I will just do the regular song. It has singing with it. I don't know. I don't remember all of the words, but I will try. I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. I've had some weary days. And some lonely nights. Here we go. Good. But when I look around and I think things over, all of my good days outweigh my bad days. I won't complain. Can I say it again? I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. I've had some weary days. And some sleepless nights. But when I look around and I think things over, all of my good days outweigh my bad days. I won't complain. Sometimes the clouds hang low. I can hardly see the road. I ask a question, Lord. Lord, why so much pain? But He knows what's best for me. Although my weary eyes, they can't see. So I just say, thank you, Lord. I won't complain. Oh, it has been so good to me. Has it been good? It's been good to me. Wonder if this whole world, or you could ever be. He's been so good to me. And He did. Hey, all my tears away. Turn my midnights into day.
One of the most common combos of hip
Oh, I can't believe the commercial.
So I'll
Not
just
yet
say
finished.
thank you, Lord. I've been lied on, but thank you, Lord. I've been talked about, but thank you, Lord. I've been misunderstood, but thank you, Lord. Might be sick, body racking with pain, but thank you, Lord. And bills are due, but don't want to know where the money's coming from. But thank you, Lord. I thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ow! Hey! I won't complain. God has been so good to me. He's been good to me. More than this old world or you could ever be. He's been so good. He's been so good. He's been so good. So good. So good. So good. So good. So me. Hey. It's right on my tears away. Today. So, alright, you gotta hear the. I wish you could hear the end of the song, but end of the song.
Yeah, that's
End of
good.
the song. On the song, something else, but yeah.
Thank you.
That's good, baby.
Well,
Your heart.
so this is
I don't know if this is good. I don't know.
Yeah,
if
it's
this is
like for me, like you know, it's like after you like sing a song, like your wife does. But baby, it's you good. Yeah, we tried from your heart, like you.
It's like it's like you sing from your heart, dude.
And his face literally like.
I tell you, I am not singer, but
This is a church.
Church song, yeah.
Church song,
yeah.
right?
church song,
Oh.
yes. Church
It's
song.
like in your church like his songs.
No.
No,
It's
no.
a
But
different-
similar?
Different kind of church. You
But
know, see, my mother's church songs like this.
The church we go to is a little more traditional.
So, what do you like?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, more like
Feeling good. And I'm really feeling good when I'm going to chiller with my friends. Butterflies, soul and fun. You know what I mean. Sleep in a peace when the day is done. That's what I mean. It's a new world. It's a ball for me. Because I'm first time singing this song, you know. I never sing the
Oh,
song.
no, you're very good at like
Improvisation, you know.
yes.
like
Improvisation.
like
Yes.
the style of the original singer. He's
No, for
very
example,
good
she
at
also,
really good,
yeah.
Elzat also didn't never. I think you this one, okay? We will sing together for you, like you know, yeah, okay? Like you just make a like you know, it's like you're singing.
Together.
Make like I would be like.
Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my love complete, and I love you, sir. Love me true. Oh, my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. Yes, for you.
That was good.
What's up, kid?
Yeah, that was good.
I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
I like this song. I listen to it.
I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. My girl, I'll be your man. I see the future in your eyes. Baby, dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. And I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't